And here's some more oatmeal with a little bit of apple juice. Mmm. Mmm. You want some more? Oh, yeah. Loves it with apple juice, apparently. You want some more? Oh, that's a good bite. That's a good bite. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Yeah. You want a little more? He's kind of gassy. Here you go. Here's a little more. Yeah, good open mouth. Good job. Good job. Couple more bites. Let's say maybe 4 more bites. You ready? You ready? Oh my goodness. You ready? There we go. I'll give you more. I'll give you more. Don't worry. A little more? Yeah, you want more. Okay. Maybe 2 more bites now. Maybe 2 more bites now. Yeah. You ready? Oh my goodness, you got it all over you. Got it all over you. Yeah. You want a little more? There you go, a whole tablespoon down the hatch with apple juice. See you later. Say bye, Mom.